Good morning. I am Mark Neuwirth, a principal owner and chairman of the board of UNEX Manufacturing. Welcome to Atlanta. This morning, on the first day of MODEX 2018, I am pleased and proud to take this opportunity to officially announce that less than 2 weeks ago, UNEX acquired SpeedCell Storage Systems. The addition of SpeedCell Dynamics high-density storage products broadens and complements UNEX's family of storage and order selection products and solutions. Today's announcement is consistent with our commitment to provide pickability throughout the logistics process from the factory floor to distribution's last mile. Press releases are available. If you have not received one, I can give it to you now. This week at MODEX, UNEX has 2 booths. In addition to what we have here featuring our SpeedCell products, you can visit booth 2337 and see the full family of UNEX products, including SpeedCell.